The first big project we're going to complete in this class is the agency quest. And what I'm looking at on the screen is the description of that assignment. We call that a prompt in writing classes. So I want you to read through the prompt carefully on your own. There's going to be a quiz following this short video that asks you a variety of questions about the prompt. You're welcome to look at the prompt while you take the quiz and take the quiz as many times as you want until you ace it. You want to ace it because that means you understand what the assignment's going to be. So the agency quest is going to be a journey where we're going to look for specific ideas about agency from 4 different sources. We're going to look at a graduation or commencement speech. We're going to look at a music video. We're going to look at a passage from the book we're going to be reading, Reina Grande's A Dream Called Home, and you're going to be finding a lesson about agency that you've learned from someone in your own life or an experience in your own life that you want to share out. The key to the project is specificity, finding narrowly focused ideas about agency in each of those different kinds of texts that you can organize detailed, focused paragraphs around. In each paragraph you work on, there's going to be 3 magic thinking verbs that you're going to deploy. You're going to explain the idea you're writing about. You're going to apply it to some outside situation, a situation outside of the world of the source that you are quoting. And then you're going to evaluate the idea about agency, evaluate how useful it is, how valid it is, what are the opportunities and limitations it offers. So those 3 verbs are pretty important to the project, our class, and I would argue life. Explain, apply, and evaluate. We'll use them a lot. And then on the rubric, on the prompt, you can also see the basic requirements of the assignment. This includes what each paragraph is going to do and the order sequence of the paragraph, the length of the paper, and finally, there's some discussion of the process, how we're going to write the paper. So please make sure you read this document over carefully before you move on to the review quiz that follows it. It's a short, easy quiz, but it's important because we want to make sure we understand exactly what this project is before we start working on the things we need to do to move it forward.